I'm overdue for a cleaning, so I'm heading over to SmileGram Dental Clinic in 𝗙𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙 Hello, how are you? I was walking around without any shoes until I realized they provided sandals. I had to write down an emergency contact, but luckily my Malaysian friend Vincent had my back. So I just checked in, everything went smooth even though I was about 10 minutes late. It was pouring down rain and I just misjudged how long it would take me to get here. I'm in 𝗙𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢, which is a city that's adjacent to Kuala Lumpur. It took me about 30 minutes via Grab to get here. I just wanted to do a routine cleaning. I just have a lot of plaque for you. Okay. And I was hoping you could remove it. Dr. XinDi took a look at how my previous fillings were holding up. I need some fish and chips to go with all that tartar. Everything looked good, so she proceeded with a dental cleaning.
Did it put on your
Yeah, there we go.
Do you think she's handsomely paid?
Dr. XinDi had no issues navigating around my fixed retainer. And no dentist appointment is complete without hearing this.
You have to increase your frequency of flossing.
Okay.
You know what to floss, yeah.
Okay. After 30 minutes, my cleaning was done. I've learned to do this.
Yeah.
So just wrapped up the dental cleaning. Everybody was super sweet. It was very quick. I have a lower retainer because I had braces when I was in high school. So that tends to have a lot of plaque, and they just get in there, knock it all out, did a couple of washings, a little polish, and now I'm sparkling fresh. The cleaning came out to $38 and that included a first-time consultation fee of 30 ringgit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be yourself and you'll make a difference. Peace.